Transform an unorganized mess into a space that transports you to a special destination with these easy tips and tricks that you can apply to any room in your house.
Oh my gosh.
This is Cube Takeover.
I'm Erin Hartigan, and I oversee restaurants for foodnetwork.com. The thing I hate most about my workspace is that it is so cluttered. I try to collect things from all over the world, and then I don't actually cull that selection. So it all just piles up and leads to a muddled space and muddles my thinking. I would say my favorite hobbies are things that make me feel adventurous or get me out of my apartment. I love to hop on my bike and explore a neighborhood I haven't been to before. My love of foreign places and exciting flavors would hopefully have given it this beautiful sparkling magpie effect, but instead it's really turned into a pig pen. I'm in desperate need of help, and so I am pretty ready to submit to any ideas that you have. But if there is any way that we could keep some of my favorite travel photographs around some of these pictures of me with my parents, my grandma, and my boyfriend, I would really appreciate that. I would love for it to be more clean and organized, as long as it takes me to a place or makes me feel perky and wanderlusty.
Erin gave me specific problems to solve and her aesthetic-themed dreams for her Food Network Cubicle Makeover, but these are definitely universal decor dilemmas that you might be facing in your workspace or in your home. So as we go through the tips and tricks, think about how you'll apply them to your life. First, let's empty the space. Erin wants to dream of faraway places when she's at work, so I took one of my own high-res photos, went to a print shop, and I printed it up large scale to fit this overhead bin. Put it on with some double-sided tape, and now Erin can imagine that she is at the beach relaxing when she's writing her articles about food. Do you have a ton of inspirational images, but you need creative ways to display them? You can put them in a shadow box with some favorite found objects, put them up on your corkboard, or print them on cardstock, cut them out in a circle shape, and they look like they're portals to a special destination. Going with an aesthetic theme and look can be fun. Erin's description of her needs and wants gave me the inspiration of a retro, worldly beach house for her. We're bringing this to life with a retro color palette, worldly patterns, imagery, and greenery. Erin has a ton of gorgeous books she wants to display, and in her list of favorite things she mentioned biking and rustic wood, so these bookends combine the two while displaying her special reads. The same goes for this lamp. It's functional by providing a nice warm light, but it speaks to the theme with its open glass and the hand-painted ECAT pattern. You can warm up any uninviting space with textiles. Declutter with bins for specific items that go with your color scheme. Lastly, beckon your favorite places and things. Erin's favorite place is California, but she dreams of beaches all over the world, so we brought cacti and lots of greenery for a zen vibe to transport her as she works. With these easy steps, we took Erin's self-proclaimed pig pen and made it into the magpie makeover of her dreams. Let's see her reaction. 1, 2, 3, open them.
Oh my gosh. I love it so. So I'm a California girl at heart, and so having a seascape is like a little bit of being home.
Good.
You have my books incorporated by an elephant and a bicycle. This is a dream. I caught lampshade matches my dress.
I hand painted that for you.
You completely nailed my aesthetic. These are things that I never would have even hoped for.
Oh.
And surpassed all of what I would have loved.
I'm so glad you feel that way. Thank you. Oh, thank you.